Hello everyone. So, how to apply transcripts in SBTET? So basically, before going to apply for transcript, we no need to visit our college. That is the first point. Directly, we can go to SBTET State Board. Uh, in my case, SBTET is at Vijayawada, so Andhra Pradesh State Board. So I have visited Vijayawada SBTET board. So if you want one set of transcripts, we have to pay 3000 rupees DD to this name, Secretary SBTT AP Vijayawada, and along with that, we have to pay 1500 rupees for postal charges. So this postal charges means SBTT board itself sends the transcripts to WES address like West Canada or US. Okay, so in my case, I have opted for one set of transcripts, and I have paid 1500 also. So total 4500 I have paid DD to this Secretary SBTT AP Vijayawada. Let me show you the DD. So this is the receipt after paying the DD. I have paid to Secretary SBTT AP Vijayawada 4500. Is my name. You will get this number at the bottom. So these 6-digit number we have to mention in one application. I will tell you in the later part. This original receipt we have to carry with us. Next, okay. Similarly, you want more number of more set of transcripts. We have to add 3000 extra. Like if you want 2 sets, we have to pay 6000. Okay, like that. And one more thing. So in my case, I did not opted for taking the transcripts directly. I have paid 1500 right for postal charges. So uh, board itself, SBTT board itself sends the transcripts to Canada address with this 1500. So uh, I will not get the transcripts in my hand. So if you want to you want to collect by hand, you no need to pay 1500. You can pay 3000 for one set. That's it. If you visit the SBTT in the morning hours, they will provide you the transcripts at the end of the day. So that is the procedure. Okay. Mostly, I think this option will be opted most candidates because no one. The main purpose is to send the transcripts to West, right? So this option will be opted. Next, here we have to note one thing. Um, don't depend on this video or any other video. You watch this video and get the awareness of how to apply, what are the documents required. Along with that, you can contact the respective state boards, like in my case Andhra Pradesh SBTET, right? Like that, whatever the state board belongs to your state, contact them, try to get the contact details. Let me provide you the APSBTT contact details. So this is the DD in favor of BTT AP Vijayawada we have to pay, and you see here post exam help desk numbers. These are the numbers we have to contact for the to inquire about these transcripts, because post exam only these transcripts are required, right? So these are the contact numbers we have to uh, check with them. Next, So let's go. What are the required documents uh, to apply for transcript? First, we need a diploma provisional and all semester marks memos. Like we will get first year 1 mark memo, second year 2 sems, right? Third year 2 sems. So total 5 memos we will be having. 5 plus 1 diploma provisional. 6 documents will be required, and we have to carry the original documents along with 2 sets of color photocopies. Actually, 1 set of photocopy is enough, but another set, uh, this is for optional, because you will not find any rock shops near the state board. Mostly they are away from the city. So to avoid last minute rush, it is suggested to bring to carry uh, 2 sets of color photocopies and 1 set of black and white, or 2 sets. That is up to you. Like you don't want to get in a rush or any anything. It is suggested. You can carry many sets, and up to you. And along with the memos and provisional, we have to carry one more document, that is a first academic request form. This we can get it from Google. Like we type in Google West academic request form, you will get the first link. If you open that, you will get a PDF document. Contains this information: reference number, our details, name and date of birth, email, which college you have studied, from which year, month to which year, month, which degree, which diploma you have, and the roll number. These all details we have to fill the option here. Option B, the state board will officials will fill these details and stamp. Uh, they will sign with this with their seal. Okay, page 2 is not required. This is for just instructions. Here, in these instructions, they will provide that make sure indicate a reference number on all. Okay, let it be, I will cover this later. So page 1 is you know, then application for transcript. So for each state board, they will be having application form. You can get this application at the SBTET state board itself, or otherwise we can get it from their website of respective state boards. I have checked the Andhra Pradesh SBTET website. I got this application form. So this we are requesting to this Secretary State Board Andhra Pradesh Vijayawada for issue of transcripts regarding. Here we have to fill all these details. At the end, it is provided that we have to bring the original certificates. Otherwise, they will not provide transcripts. So we have to carry the original documents for sure. So don't fill all these details before visiting the SBTT. Uh, take a printout and carry with you. Ask the respective persons uh, what to fill, what are the details we have to fill. Then only we can fill the details. So last one is receipt, DD payment receipt. This we will get from bank only after the payment. Like I said, I have paid 4,500 DD, right, which I shown earlier here. This is the original DD receipt we have to carry. So these all the required documents we have to carry. And yeah, as I said, don't fill these request forms, this application. Don't fill before going to SBTT. Only ask the responsible person, then only fill the forms. Otherwise, actually I have filled before going to SBTT. So I got um, they got angry. Why did you fill like that? That's why ask them what to fill. And I also wrote the WES reference number on top of photocopies, all marks memos. I have written the reference number. So don't write the reference number. Just if you have doubt whether we have to write or not, please ask them. Then only you write. So that's it. That's it for the video. If you have anything, if you have any doubts, please put it in the comments. Thank you.